I've been at B&W 22 years. Our goal at B&W is to fix people's problems. I feel like we do a very good job at that. Going from, I wish we had something that could do this, putting something together on CAD, working it, watching it go through the shop, coming out with a finished product. Many of our products work just like that. B&W is made right here in the heart of the USA. I feel like B&W is a landmark. We have a lot of machine parts, there's a lot of laser cut parts, there's a lot of broke parts that go into these. They're not just a casting that's coming from overseas. There's a lot of engineering put into a lot of our hitches. Customers open this box and they see this flawless hitch that's crossed several hands at this plant. I think the confidence that customers have just knowing that they have a B&W hitch, no sweat. What makes B&W a good hitch is the reliability, the durability, the easy installation, and the workmanship that goes into it. DN Solution machines for us have been very reliable. A big benefit from this automation cell that we put together with DN Solution machines is that our load is at 3,500 and running 3 shifts, we're producing close to 4,000 balls. So it meets our production need. From an operator standpoint and a programming standpoint, now even an automation standpoint, DN Solutions is an operator favorite. The service that we get through them has been nothing but the best. Almost half of our machines are DNs. I think that says a lot. We have several VC 430s and 510s on the floor. What we love about those machines is an operator can be loading one side of the table, doing the work on the other side. We have many twin turrets in our CNC shop now, and we're seeing a big benefit from the twin turrets. B&W stands out above the rest of the hitch maker. We take problems that people have and we solve them. You can go from what is a problem in the world in the trailer hitch industry, and B&W has a solution. My name is Travis McCall. I am the manufacturing engineer at B&W Trailer Hitches. And we are a DN house.